Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you looking to earn extra cash without spending a dime up front? You're in the right place. Today, we're sharing 5 amazing side hustles you can start with zero investment in 2025. Whether you want to save money, pay off debt, or explore new opportunities, these ideas are perfect for getting started fast. Let's dive in. First up, we have freelance writing. If you love to write, this is a fantastic way to make money. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr allow you to connect with clients looking for blog posts, articles, and more. Start by creating a free profile and offering your services. If you're a beginner, focus on building your portfolio with a few low-cost or free projects to showcase your skills. As you gain experience, you can raise your rates and land higher-paying gigs. Next is social media management. If you're good at creating content, engaging with followers, and understanding trends on platforms like Instagram or TikTok, businesses need you. Offer to manage accounts for small businesses or local entrepreneurs in your area. Most don't require a degree or certification, just creativity and consistency. Plus, there are free tools like Canva and Meta Business Suite to make your job easier. Third, let's talk about online tutoring. Are you skilled in math, science, music, or a language? Platforms like Tutorm and Wyzant let you teach students online with flexible hours. You don't need teaching experience, just a good understanding of your subject. Pro tip: niche subjects like test prep or advanced calculus often pay more. Number 4 is becoming a virtual assistant. Many businesses and entrepreneurs need help with tasks like email management, data entry, or scheduling. This hustle requires zero upfront costs and can often be done on a part-time basis. Websites like Zirtual or TaskRabbit are great for finding gigs. All you need is a laptop, good communication skills, and the willingness to learn on the job. Last but not least, consider selling unused items online. Look around your home for things you no longer need: clothes, electronics, books, and list them on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark. It's a simple way to declutter while making money. You can even offer to sell items for friends or family and split the profits. The best part about these side hustles is that you can start today without spending a cent. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for more side hustle and money making tips. See you in the next video.